Hey, it's pamper time, it's me time. So I just wanted to share how I get my hair ready after it's freshly washed. I've had a few ladies say they love my hair, so thanks very much. My hair wasn't as pretty as this before, but since my daughter has been helping me treat my hair, and link to her Instagram is right here, it's never been healthier. I have some extensions under because otherwise my hair is really thin, but the entire hair that I have on my head is actually now healthy and glowing and just very easy to manage. So this is what we have. So I'm just gonna remove this. This is what I used to set the hair on top, so this one doesn't move. When I first used this, I forgot what they call this thing. I had a hard time, like it wouldn't stay on my head. My hair would be all over the place, but now I learned how to keep it on here. So see all of this, I'm missing my other one now. So okay, so we're gonna do that. So it's a little bit damp still. Where we go? And then I'm gonna just remove this one. Okay, we're gonna remove that. See, this is, you probably can find this. See, it's satin and it's soft. I used to use those curlers, which can really damage your hair because of the very fine bumps. Not anymore. And of course I use a very reliable shampoo and conditioner now. Information is on the caption. Oh my gosh, oh, my hair's going. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush that one. I like it curled. I've always liked my hair curled, wavy. I also like it straight. When it's straight, it has a different vibe. It's how I rolled it at the top of my head. That's why it's creating all these waves. Maybe I'll put it here. Okay, maybe I'll change the... Oh God. Maybe I should wet it a little bit. So it's little bangs. Okay, maybe like this. Oh my gosh, just flatten it all the way. What did I do? Okay, I'm gonna just clip that. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so I'm gonna check out Rated R's website and Hair by Ria Jade, and then that way you can get to know more about how you can take care of your hair and consult her. I'm just a really happy customer. Maybe I should keep it there. Okay. Oh my gosh, enough. Well, otherwise I love it. Just put a clip here. 1 second. Because it's been so waste. Okay, I think that's... Otherwise, I love this one. I love how this falls. Until I realized we were different types. Mission solved. I always believe in options. There's always an option to your problem. I just want to thank you for your support, for listening to my videos, for liking them, and for sharing them. I can see those, and I'm just so grateful. You have no idea how happy you make me feel. My goal is to spread inspiration and empowerment because I want you to feel good about yourself. I hope that you can continue to support me, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, my name is Jackie D, and watch my videos, like them, and subscribe, and then that way I can share more messages about empowerment and building your social media profile. I will see you soon, and again, thank you. Have an amazing day every single day.
Till I realize that I need you.